On this channel, I've previously talked about several ways you can make money on Digistore 24. However, I haven't touched on how you can sell or promote high-ticket products on Digistore 24. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling high-ticket products from Digistore 24. And for those who don't know, Digistore 24 is an online marketplace where you can basically come over and list your product, or you can promote other people's products. And that is by going over to digistore24.com. And as you can see here, they've paid over $3 billion to affiliates in commission. All right. So just like I mentioned earlier, you can come over here and sell your product, or you can promote other people's product. And as you can see, it only takes 2 minutes to create an account on Digistore 24. So all you need to do is to come over to the website, and once you're on the page, you want to come over to where it says promote, and you want to then click on get started. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you simply have to enter your basic information to create your Digistore 24 account. So once you're done entering your username, your email, password, you want to make sure to select I am an affiliate and I primarily promote the product of other vendors, as we are going to be making money by promoting other people's product. All right. So you want to make sure to then check this, and you want to click on continue. So that's literally all it takes to create a Digistore 24 account. And once your account is created, you want to then come over to the marketplace. If you're not seeing this, you want to basically go over to the top right corner and you want to click on marketplace. And like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote specifically high ticket products. So once you're in the marketplace section, you want to come over to digital products, and this is where you're going to find various products from various niches you can choose from. All right. So you want to make sure to select any niche of your choice. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to go with the online marketing and e-business niche. So if I click on this niche as an example, you are going to see a lot of products you can promote from this niche. This is an example of a high ticket product right here. You can see you are going to get paid $974 for every sale you refer to this product. So if you scroll down here, this is also another example of high ticket product right here, which is going to pay you $400 for every sale. And now before we proceed, you might be thinking it's going to be difficult to make a sale, and that is absolutely correct, because not everyone can afford to purchase a high ticket product. I'm going to show you a strategy which is going to help you sell this product easily. Okay, and keep in mind, you don't need to make so many sales every day, just a couple of sales every week and you are good to go. Okay, and now before you select any high ticket product, there's something you need to look out for before you promote that product, and that is by going over to the sales page of that product, and that is by clicking on this section here. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the sales page of that product. And before you promote any high ticket product, it's very important to make sure that product has a webinar. This is because once people come over to this website, 99% of the time, they are not going to purchase the product right away. And this is an example right here. As you can see, this product is not asking people to make a purchase right away. People need to enter their email address to attend the free webinar. Okay. And once people go over to this webinar, this is where the vendor of this product is going to market this product to them on the webinar. All right. And as you can see here, they are also going to capture the name and email address of every user you send to their landing page, which means 1 week, 2 weeks, even 1 month down the line, they are still going to be sending them emails convincing them to purchase this product. So even a month or 2 months down the line, if the visitor decides to purchase that product, you are going to get paid your commission. That is why it's very important to go with products that have a webinar, because the vendor of the product is going to convince them to buy the product themselves. So you don't really need to do any hard work yourself. All you simply need to do is to get as many people to submit their email to this product, which is then going to take them to the webinar. I hope this makes sense. So this product right here is going to show people how to make $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income in 2025. Okay, so just like I showed you earlier, this is also another example right here. Any product that is basically around the 3 figures mark is a high ticket product, and you can find so many of them on Digistore 24. Like I said, you want to come over to the digital product section and you can go through each of these categories and you're going to find so many products like this. So now that we've chosen a product to promote, the next thing we want to simply do is to copy our affiliate link by clicking on this promo link. And this is a unique link that is going to track every sale you make and is going to make sure you get your commission whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. So now the next step is driving traffic to this product, and you don't need to create a website or a landing page, as we are going to be using medium.com to drive traffic. And the reason you don't want to create a brand new website is because it's going to take you a very long time to get ranked on Google with a brand new website. So that is why it's very important using high authority domains like medium.com to easily rank your article on Google and start getting clicks on your affiliate link and start making sales. And now I'm going to show you an example that medium.com is an high authority domain that you can use to easily rank articles on Google without having to create your own website from scratch, which is going to take a lot of time before Google actually trusts your website to get it ranked on the search results. So if I come over to Google and I type in a simple keyword like this, how to lose weight in a week without exercise. So you can see this is a website here ranking on Google, and this is a high authority website as well that is ranking for this niche. And if you scroll down here, you can see in the second position, this is an article from medium.com. And if I click on this article, as you can see here, this is basically a post teaching people how to lose weight right here. So if you simply scroll to the very bottom of this post, as you can see right here, this is a call to action at the bottom of this article, which is basically promoting this product right here. I can assure you this link is going to take users to a website where they are basically promoting a product. So this tells you you don't need to create your own website. You can take advantage of an high authority domain to easily rank content on Google. So now that we've chosen a product and we know the website we are going to be using to drive traffic, we are going to be needing an article, and that is where writer.me comes in. This is an AI tool that is going to generate original and unique content that sounds like you and not a robot, as you can see right here. And one of the major features that makes writer.me stands out amongst others like ChatGPT, SEO writing, and other AI tool is because it has this plagiarism checker, which makes sure your content is 100% unique before you post it on medium.com. As we already know at this point, Google only prioritizes high quality content and unique content. If Google sees your content as a duplicate, then you are not going to get ranked on Google. So that's why it's very important to make sure to use a plagiarism checker tool to make sure your content is 100% unique. And that is why you want to use writer.me. And I'm going to leave a link in the description to the website. And so you know, you can try it out for absolutely free by clicking on the Get Writer It's Free button. However, for those who are serious about making money and get their article ranked on Google easily, I highly recommend to go with either the unlimited or the premium plan. And this is because this is the only plans where you'll be able to use the plagiarism checker tool. As you can see right here, the plagiarism checker tool is not available on the free plan. You can only get it on the unlimited or the premium plan. Okay. And this is a minor investment compared to how much you are going to make once you start getting sales on your Digistore 24 account. Since we already know this product is going to teach people how to make money online, we are going to need a keyword which we'll be using to generate an article on writer.me. And to get ideas of this type of keywords, you can simply use Google or YouTube to do this. Okay, so I'm going to take YouTube as an example because whatever people are typing on YouTube, they are mainly typing the same thing on Google as well. So if I type in example, how to make $1,000 per day on Pinterest. Okay, so I'm going to take this as an example. So as you can see here, there are so many videos under this keyword. All right. So the next thing we want to do here, since we know there are videos and people are interested in this long tail keyword, we are going to use this to generate an article on writer.me, and that is by simply coming over to where it says write. You want to then make sure to select the language as English. Then you want to come over to where it says select a tone of voice, and you want to go through this list and you want to select informative, because you want people to get value from your content, and that is the only way they are likely to click on your affiliate link, because you've provided them value upfront. And now you want to make sure to come over to where it says choose a use case, and you want to make sure to select blog idea and outline. So once you do this, final thing you want to then do is to paste in that title right here, and you want to click on write for me. So now, as you can see here, it has generated a title for us right here: how to make $1,000 per day on Pinterest, a comprehensive guide. It has also generated outlines for us. You can see it starts with understanding Pinterest as a platform to earn income, and this ends with a conclusion right here. So the next thing you want to simply do from here is to come over to each of these outline, and you want to make sure to click on this writer button, and you want to come over to where it says insert content, and you want to click on paragraph. So once you do this process for each outline, you want to then use the plagiarism checker tool to make sure the content is 100% unique by clicking on the writers button. So now that our article is ready, the next step is to create an account on medium.com, and it's absolutely free, by the way. All you need to do is to click on the get started button. Once your account is created, it's going to look like this, and you want to simply click on the write button. So once you do that, as you can see, you have two sections here. This is where you want to type in the title of your post, and this is where you want to type in the content of your post. So once you paste it on medium.com, as you can see, everything looks properly outlined, and as you can see, straight to the point, very informative, giving people value and teaching them how they can make money from Pinterest. And as you can see here, it also included an example of showing people step by step what they need to do to make money on Pinterest. And now the final thing you want to do is to make sure to include an affiliate disclosure on your article. This is going to prevent your article being deleted by Medium. Okay, so you basically just want to tell people this article includes affiliate links, which means once they click on it and make a purchase, you're going to get a commission. It's that simple. Okay, so once you make a post like this, there are other things you want to do as well. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure to include a YouTube video. This is very important, because if people are going to perceive your content to be of high quality and genuine if they see that you also promoted other links other than your affiliate link. And to do that, you can simply go over to YouTube and you can pick any high quality video on YouTube. So I'm going to take this video as an example, which is also related to our content. All you need to do is to click on these three dots, and you want to click on the share button. So once you copy the video link, all you just want to do is to go over to any section here and click on this plus button. You want to then click on add a video. Okay, so you want to just simply paste in that YouTube video link, and you want to click on enter. So once you do that, as you can see, once people start going through this article, they are also going to see that there is a high quality YouTube video they can watch if they want to learn more as well. All right, so another thing you can also do if you don't want to use YouTube videos is to simply go over to pexels.com, and you can basically come over here and get royalty free images you can use to promote this article without any problem. All you just need to do is to type in keyword related to whatever you are promoting. Okay, since we know we are promoting make money online product, you can type in something like this, make money online. You are going to see a lot of images you can include in your post. All you just need to do is to click on the download button, and you'll be able to add that image to your post. Okay, so you can come over to any section of your post right here, and a very good example of a place we can place that image is this section here, which is talking about how to drive traffic to monetize your content. Okay, so you can basically come over to this section here, and you can click on this plus button, and you want to then click on add an image. And this is where you then want to upload that image from pexels.com. As you can see, this is the image right here. Okay, so this is very important. You want to make sure to include other links aside from your affiliate link. This is going to make you come off genuine and trustworthy because people are going to see you are not just trying to get a sale from your affiliate link. All right. So the final thing you want to then do here is to now include your affiliate link, and that is by going over to your Digistore 24 account. You want to copy the affiliate link by clicking on the promo link right here. So once you copy the affiliate link, you can just basically highlight any section of the post like this. All right. So you can just come over here and paste in that affiliate link here. Okay. As you can see now, once people click on this link, it's going to take them to the sales page of this product. So you want to basically include the link at the top of the post. You want to also come over to the middle of the article as well. Somewhere like this section here, you can highlight this as well. And you can then click on this link icon and paste in the link right here. Okay, and finally, you want to include the link at the bottom of the post as well. So at the bottom of the post, you want to type in a simple call to action like this. If you want to learn how to make 10K per month, working 1 to 2 hours per day from home, check out my free training here. And keep in mind, like I said earlier, it's going to take them to a webinar of the vendor of this product, actually teaching people how to make money. So you want to make sure to paste in your link here as well. And this is all you literally need to do. And you want to click on the publish button. So this is all you literally need to do. So you can replicate this for another social media platform like YouTube or Instagram, because these are ways people can make money online and it's very related to this product. So I highly recommend to post at least 4 times a week. And once you make this post, you are going to get ranked easily on Google as long as your content is plagiarism free and 100% unique.